In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start earning real money online with CPA marketing. And I'm going to show you how you can start earning thousands of dollars every single week, even as a complete beginner. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can literally get started and start earning passive income online with CPA marketing. So basically, as you can see right on my screen, this is a breakdown of my performance in United States. As you can see right here, these are the statistics from United States alone. And also you can see most of the traffic came from mobile devices. And here you can see the earnings generated over $3,000. And I'm going to show you how you can do this as well. The next step is to basically create a landing page or a sort of funnel that you are going to use to generate leads. You want to come over to this website called tryinteract.com. So basically, this is a website that allows you to create interactive quizzes that generate leads and sell products. But basically, we are going to be using this to generate only leads. All right. So once you come over to this website, so basically you want to click on start free trial. So once you click on this, you will be able to create an account. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And once you come over to this page, you want to basically click on this section that says start from scratch. So basically this will allow you create a quiz from scratch. And I'm going to show you how to do this. It won't even take you up to 5 minutes. So once you click on that, you want to basically click on this section that says assessment. So once you do that, you want to come over to this section and you want to type in something like answer this for a chance to win $100 Walmart gift card. So basically you don't have to use Walmart. You can use PayPal, Cash App, Amazon, or whatever gift card you want to use. Okay, so once you type this right here, you want to also make sure to add an image. And to get images to use, all you need to do is to basically go over to Google and you want to type in something like win $100 Walmart gift card. So once you do that, all you just need to do is to basically right click and you want to copy the image address. So once you do that, you want to basically come over to canva.com. So once you come over here, you want to click on this create a design. So once you click on that, then you want to scroll down to this section that says custom size and you want to click on this and you want to basically type in 900 by 400. So once you do that, you want to click on create new design. So once you do that, you want to basically right click and you want to click on paste. So basically once you click on paste, as you can see, it's going to basically bring this image. So once the image looks something like this, all you just need to do from here is to basically click on the share button. So once you click on this, then you want to click on download. So once you've downloaded the image, you want to basically come back to the quiz page and you want to upload the image. So you want to click on this. And all you just need to do from here is to click on upload and you want to locate where the file is saved on your device. All right. So once you upload the file, so all you just need to do from here is to click on crop and save. So basically, if you do this, as you can see, this is an image of the Walmart gift card right here. So once you do that, you want to come over to this section that says type description here. And you want to basically type in something simple like this, answer this very simple question and follow the instruction to win a free Walmart gift card. Okay. So once you're done, the next step is to basically come over to this section. The next step is to come over to this section that says questions. As you can see right here, you'll be able to create the question. Okay, so don't worry, we are only going to create only a single question. All right, so the question you are going to be typing here is as simple as what country would you find Walmart in? So the first section, you can type in something like Australia, and here you can type in UK, and here you can type in US, and here you can type in, let's say, Japan. So once you do this, this is all you need to do to create your question. And if you like, you can set a correct answer if you want, but this is not necessary. Okay, so basically you can select the correct answer to be United States, but as I mentioned, this is not necessary. So basically you want to click out of this and now you want to come over to this section that says results. So once you come over to this result page, you want to basically come here and you want to delete this second result. Okay, so you want to delete this. So you want to make sure to leave it as only result 1. So once you do that, here you want to basically paste in the same title as the first page. Answer this for a chance to win $100 Walmart gift card. Then you want to re-upload the same image again. All right. So for the description, you want to basically paste in the same description as well. All right. So the final thing you need to do is the call to action. You want to type in something like this. Click here to access the quiz. All right. So now this is where we are going to be creating a content locker, which is going to take people to offer page where they can complete various gift card offers. All right. So what we are going to do from here is to basically go back to Cpagrip. So once you go back to your Cpagrip account, you want to make sure to come over to the URL file lockers. So once you come over here, you want to basically give your locker a name. So once you do that, here you want to basically come over to this section that says templates, and you want to make sure to select this template right here which says minimal. All right, so once you select this template, the next step is to basically come over to this section and you want to click on auto show offers. So once you do that, it's going to show various gift card offers that your visitors can complete and you earn money. And one other trick you can do is to basically come over to the offer manager section. So once you click on that, you want to come over to this section for mobile. So once you do that, you can basically come over here and you can select any offer that you want your visitors to see. As you can see, this Cash App gift card offer right here, which is going to pay $3.42. All you just need to do is to click on this star button right here. All right, so basically once you do that, it's going to take this offer to the top, which means your visitors are going to see this offer on the top of the offer list. And once they see this offer, there's a very high chance they are going to click on this offer. And if they complete it, you make $3.42. So basically you can come over here and push as many offers to the top as you want. So basically this is up to you. All right, so once you're done for this section, you can basically type in google.com, since the purpose of them clicking on this locker is to complete these gift card offers. All right, so once you're done, all you just need to do is click on save. Basically click on get links and you want to grab your content locker link. So once you grab the link, you want to basically come over to this website. You want to basically click on this URL and this is where you want to paste in your content locker link and you want to click on save. All right, so once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on publish. So once you do that, as you can see, this is your link right here. And now I'm going to show you one of the best traffic sources you can use that most affiliates don't use to promote CPA offers. And that will be tumblr.com. So basically this website, if you go over to similarweb.com, you can see it gets over 200 million visits every single month. And you can see most of the traffic are from tier 1 countries, with almost 50% of the traffic from United States alone. So all you just need to do is to go over to tumblr.com and you want to click on sign up and you will be able to create your account. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And now I'm going to show you a very creative way that you can use to drive traffic using Tumblr. All right, so all you need to do is to basically come over to this section that says trending. So once you do that, as you can see, it's going to show you trending GIFs, trending photos, videos, and other content that are trending. So you want to click on this section that says trending GIFs. So once you do that, you are going to see the GIFs that are trending the most on Tumblr at the moment. As you can see right now, this one has over 300 notes. You can see this one right here is added a few moments ago and it has already gotten over 55 notes already. Okay, you can see this one is added recently as well. So basically what you want to do from here, so you want to click on this pen icon. So once you do that, as you can see, it's going to show you various content that you can post on tumblr.com. So you want to basically select the photo option. So now to get content, all you just need to do is to go over to jiffy.com or you can use tenor.com as well. This website has millions of GIFs that you can use to promote on tumblr.com. All right, so once you come over here, all you just need to do is to basically download the GIFs that are currently trending on jiffy.com. So as you can see right here, it says trending, and if it's trending on jiffy.com, basically it's going to trend on Tumblr as well. All right, so once you come over here, I'm going to take this post right here as an example. Okay, and you want to basically come over to Google and you want to type in Jiffy downloader. So once you type that, you want to click on the first link. All right, so once you come over to this page, you want to basically go back to the Jiffy page, and all you need to do is to copy this URL right here. Okay, so once you copy the URL, then you want to go back to this website and you want to paste in the URL right here. As you can see, it has brought out the image. So all you just need to do from here is to basically right click and you want to click on save as. So once you do that, you can see right here, you can save it as GIF to your device and you want to click on save. So once you save this to your device, all you need to do is to go back to your Tumblr account and you want to click on upload photos. So now you can see right here, you can select the GIF photo. And now you can see it has been uploaded right here. You can see right here, I've basically added some tags, copied them from the original post, as you can see right here. All right, so now you can type in something simple like this, be happy like this minion. So I'm just taking this as an example and you want to type in a short description right here. So now you want to basically come back to this page and you want to copy the link to this landing page. All right, so if you go back, all you just need to do is to highlight this. As you can see, it says, find out if you are a winner. Take our quiz and enter our giveaway. All right, so basically this is short, captivating, and straight to the point. And you want to click on this link icon. And here you want to basically paste in your landing page link. This is basically going to go viral on Tumblr as well, since it's already working on other GIF platform like jiffy.com. So basically all you just need to do is to post as many GIFs as possible. So once you've done this and everything looks good, as you can see right here, all you just need to do is to click on post. All right. So basically you want to make at least 10 posts every single day. And I don't recommend you post all this at once. You can basically come over to this button and you can schedule your post. And keep in mind, this website is mainly United States, and almost half of the traffic that comes over to this website is from United States alone. And basically if you do this, you are going to get a lot of clicks to this landing page, and you are going to get a lot of conversions as well. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and make sure to click on any of the 2 videos on your screen right now for more ways to start earning money online. And if you find any value, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.